The Webb Space Telescope was designed to see the universe differently. The human eye sees the universe in a narrow band of light from 380 to 700 nanometers. This is the visible rainbow. The light we can see is familiar, even beautiful, but it can be blocked or scattered by the gas and dust in outer space. Infrared light, or light past the red end of the rainbow spectrum, is more resistant to this scattering. By viewing the universe in infrared light, astronomers can literally see the otherwise hidden. The Webb Space Telescope was initially recommended by a committee in 1997, but it takes time to precisely shape the mirrors needed for a massive telescope. Construction began in 2004. The mirrors were finished in 2011. After that, Webb's sensitive instruments were tested, assembled, and connected to the main structure. The telescope's final assembly began in 2018. On Christmas Day 2021, after decades of work, the telescope was at last ready to lift off from the Guiana Space Center in French Guiana. Webb couldn't reveal its first images in 2021 for several reasons. First, Webb was initially folded up like origami for launch. If something will only ever be used in space, it can look like anything at all. Spacecraft do not have to worry about air resistance. But if something is going to lift off from Earth, it must be streamlined to survive its escape from our home planet's atmosphere, at least at first. Once Webb reached space, it took days to unfurl to its true configuration. Even then, Webb was not quite ready for use. Because of the infrared light Webb uses to see the universe, its scientific instruments are very sensitive to heat. They had to be cooled to nearly absolute zero, the coldest possible temperature where all molecular motion ceases. They would not be ready until months into 2022. Furthermore, the photographs Webb sent back to Earth needed to be processed and assembled from digital data before they were ready for all to see. Even so, the telescope's early calibration photographs offered tantalizing glimpses of the wonders to come. The first Webb photographs were finally ready in July of 2022, and they were chosen carefully to highlight the strengths of Webb's specialized instrument suite. Webb's first deep-field image of galaxy cluster SMACS 0723 used the way massive objects warp space and time to see further back into the universe than any photo ever before taken. Webb achieved its view in just over 12 hours, something that would have taken weeks for the Hubble Space Telescope to achieve. The spectrum of exoplanet WASP 96b revealed water and clouds in the atmosphere of a gas giant, traveling around a star far beyond our own sun. Webb's powerful infrared optics saw through the gas and dust of the Southern Ring Nebula to the dying stars locked within. Previously, it was all but impossible to view these two stars tangled in their final dance. By peering through galactic dust clouds, Webb saw stars bursting to life in the merging galactic group of Stephan's quintet in the constellation Pegasus. Baby stars within our own galaxy are revealed in the stunning cliffs of the Carina Nebula, previously concealed by their stellar cocoons. With the launch of the Webb telescope, the universe will never look the same again. A new generation of astronomers will see the skies in more detail and more light than ever before. Webb may see the universe in a different light than the human eye, but those differences are bringing new dimensions of beauty to science.